Some verbs in English are standard and basic. But in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study useful English verbs. To crush it. Mike and Steve are discussing their recent investments in the stock market. They're talking about making impressive returns. Steve, I heard you've been doing really well lately. What's your secret? Well, I've just been doing a lot of research and staying disciplined with my strategy. That's awesome. I've been trying to do the same. I've made some decent returns, but I want to do even better. Keep at it, Mike. You can do it. Thanks. I'm going to take your advice and stay the course. With the right mindset and patience, you'll be crushing it in the stock market in no time. Quiz time! What does to crush it mean? To break something into pieces? To be unsuccessful? To do an incredibly good job? To feel overwhelmed? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To do an incredibly good job. Verb details. We often crush it at work, crush it in sports, crush it in our hobbies, crush it in our personal goals. To crush normally means to break something into small pieces with a lot of force. We use this verb with it to say we're doing a really good job. What area have you crushed it in recently? Share your success story in the comments below. Examples. She's crushing it at her new job and already got a promotion. He's been crushing it at the gym and lost 20 pounds. My friend crushed it at her art show and sold all her paintings. I started a small business and I'm crushing it with sales. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. The stock market. A place to buy and sell pieces of businesses. Staying disciplined. Staying focused on work. Keep at it. Keep doing it. Stay the course. Keep doing the plan. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.